Hello, my name is Chris and I am a French developer, and today I want to show you my software. This is an AI Dungeon Master. Oh no, another AI Dungeon Master! Yes, but with a plot. In my software, this software will be open source and free in the future. You can add your own modules and scenario and adventures. I show you. You have a dedicated folder in and you can put your module. Here I show you. I put the PDF of Dragons of Despair, the first module of Dragonlance. A free module, Dues for the Dead, and Egg of the Phoenix. Okay. In the interface, you can select French or English, solo or multi-adventure. I show you the solo for the moment. You put your name, you create your race, and you have a tonality of the adventure, yeah, and a little context. And here you have your modules for the context, and I deactivate the other. I keep only the Dragonlance module. Okay, if I create a start, the module is sent to DeepSeek with his API, and this is AI API, and DeepSeek analyze your module and follow the adventure with an interface. In the future you can add your own AI provider like OpenAI, Gemini, and other, and you will put the endpoint and your token, your socket key. Okay, this is the beginning of the adventure. This is the return of DeepSeek. In each action in the future, I send all the context of the module to DeepSeek to have the history of the adventure and actions, to have the next step in the module. But you can also take your own way in the adventure, and the AI create quests, events, etc. Okay, this is the beginning. You have a description text here, and here your action. You can select an action or put your own action. Here. Donc là, here you have the inn of the last home, and I enter the inn, and in the inn I will find a storyteller and two adventurers, important characters. I go. The dungeon master is thinking. Okay, you push open the worn carved door and step to the worm. Otik, Sandas, Tika, okay. Old man spin tales for a small crowd with nearby a quiet couple share words over mugs of spiced ale. Told to the storyteller, and he'll tell you some words on the future quest. You approach the old storyteller as he finishes a tale about a knight and dragons. You have the look of one who seeks something lost. He say, There are whispers of a blue crystal staff stolen from the ancient ruins of Xatzaroth. They said it held great power. Blah 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 blah. Okay, you can ask some information. Donc there is a quiet couple. Here you have the context, the NPC, and points of interest. I go to talk to the quiet couple. Okay. You walk to the third table where the quiet couple sits. The woman has bright sky blue eyes and flowing white gold hair. The one has what are your names? Goldmoon and Riverwind. Of course. Okay, the woman is Brighton and I am Goldmoon of the Kishu tribes, she said, gesturing to herself. This is Riverwind, my betrothed and guardian. The tall princeman inclines his head, his expression guarded but not unfriendly. They exchange a glance. Okay, you see, you can play the adventure in solo mode, but an important thing I show you. Return to talk to storyteller. The advantage of DeepSeek is he have DeepSeek have the global context of the Dragonlance adventure in memory, and you can ask some informations which not in the module, like I show you. You return to the old terrain. Talk me of the Blood Sea. The Blood Sea. The Blood Sea is not in this module. This is in the Dragonlance module 12 in my memory. The old storyteller, the Blood Sea. This is a tale of for any time, but I can tell you this. After the cataclysm, when the gods hurled a mountain of fire at Ishtar, the land shattered. You see, Ishtar is not mentioned in this module, but DeepSeek know the history of Dragonlance, and we have more context in this software. Okay, you have here a little map. And you can save. Okay. There is the management of combat, equipment, and characteristics with the DeepSeek AI. Okay. Here, if you come back in the software, you can continue, or create a new adventures. Here, I change, and I choose the Egg of the Phoenix. Okay, and a new context and a new adventure begin. I'm waiting. Okay. Chris, we are seated in the bustling common room of the inn of the 14 virtues, your last caravan, coin jingling as a push, one lantern lights, bills, etc., etc. This is Craig Mercurian. Okay, you accept the meeting, ask for a direction. This is the beginning of the module. Okay. Mercurian smiles Wally. My residence is a two-story stone house with iron lantern, etc., etc. And you continue, and you can play your game. Okay. Now I show you the multiplayer. This is the software is an help to play D&D party, D&D game, and here you can add your player. In the context, I say to DeepSeek in this mode, then all the rules are managed by the players. In solo mode, the rules are managed by DeepSeek. Okay, Gandalf. You begin the adventure. Here, the interface change. There is action for each character, and you can the character can take different actions. I show you. Conan, a scarred barbarian, and Gandalf, a grey bearded wizard, stand on the dusty road east of Solas. Okay, Conan. Here, this is the action of Conan, and here, the action of Gandalf. The player can put their own action. Gandalf, like Conan, go to Solas. Gandalf, go to the west. Submit. Okay, this is thinking. There is more context, but I must compress data for speed. You both turn westward, following the one road back toward Solas. Ah, Solas is to the west. The great balloon between. Alors, Gandalf cast a subtle detection for magic data. Go to the inn. Et Conan, go to the north. The north. Oh, yeah, yes, they go in the first action, they go in the same direction. This is logical. Okay, there are two different directions. Sorry for my bad English, I'm French. Conan leaves the ram light of Solas behind, following Fentry that climbs across the Wildwood Forest to the north. Gandalf steps into the inn of the last home. Candlelight. Donc, take the trail of the Lee. Alors, Conan. Head towards the glittering water. And Gandalf strike up a talk with the barkeep. Listen to the storyteller. You see, this is the same adventure, but the text change every time, every game. Okay. Submit. Okay. Conan pushed through the bush and emerged onto the shore of the vast sea lake. The autumn sky darkened above, and water mirrors the first stars, a serene, powerful six. The shore is sandy. Gandalf takes a seat near the storyteller, whose voice weaves tales of ancient heroes, etc. Conan, take a bath. Hey, Gandalf, take a drink. And you can continue like that. in this mode, this is a narration helper for the players. Okay, I must compress the data. Conan wade into the moonlight waters of Crystal Mill Lake. The cold wakes him every nerve as he splashes. A faint glint catches his eyes beneath the surface. Diving, he retrieves a small rusted tin box. Inside, a handful of old silver coins and a tarnished silver ring etched with a strange symbol. Gandalf downs a foaming mug of dark ale. The barkeep leans in, lowering his voice. Blah 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 blah. Okay. If you want, if you have some question about this software, you can ask me in the comments. And thank you to have watching this video. This is I think this is an original use of AI. And don't forget, this software will be free for all and open source. Thank you for watching and sorry for my bad English. Au revoir, putain de merde.